If GOG Galaxy is showing error E1, don't worry. This is usually a connection issue or a simple app glitch, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest step-by-step fixes, from checking your internet connection to restarting GOG Galaxy, logging out and back in, disabling VPN or proxy settings, and finally, updating or reinstalling the app if needed. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and gaming help. All right, let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. Error E1 is very commonly linked to a network problem, so before you do anything else, make sure your Wi-Fi is actually working. Open a browser and try loading any website. If the page doesn't load, the issue may be with your connection rather than GOG itself. In that case, restart your router, wait for it to fully reconnect, and then try GOG Galaxy again. Sometimes a simple network refresh is all it takes to clear the error. If your internet is working normally, the next step is to restart GOG Galaxy completely. To do that, open Task Manager on your computer. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape, or by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Once it opens, find GOG Galaxy in the list of running apps or background processes. Right-click on it, then click End Task. This makes sure the app is fully closed, not just minimized in the background. After that, reopen GOG Galaxy and see if the error is gone. This quick restart often fixes temporary connection or session issues. If the error still appears, try logging out and back in again. Open GOG Galaxy, click the Settings gear icon, then click Settings. From there, look for Manage, then go to Login and Security. Choose Log Out All if that option is available. This can refresh your account session and fix authentication problems that sometimes trigger error E1. After logging out, sign back into your account and check whether GOG Galaxy loads properly. Another very common cause is a VPN or proxy connection. If you're using a VPN, turn it off completely and try again. VPNs can sometimes block or interrupt the connection between GOG Galaxy and its servers. You should also disable any proxy settings on your computer, because proxy servers can cause the same kind of login or connectivity issue. Once VPN and proxy are both turned off, reopen GOG Galaxy and test it again. This is one of the most important fixes because it solves the problem for a lot of users. If none of those steps work, it's time to update or reinstall GOG Galaxy. First, go to GOG.com and download the latest version of the client. Installing the newest version can fix bugs, connection issues, and outdated files that may be causing error E1. If the problem still continues after updating, uninstall GOG Galaxy completely and reinstall it fresh. A clean reinstall can replace any broken files and give you a clean start. So to quickly recap, if you see GOG Error E1, start by checking your internet connection. Then restart GOG Galaxy through Task Manager, log out and back in through the settings and security options, disable any VPN or proxy, and finally update or reinstall the app from GOG.com if needed. One of these steps will usually fix the issue. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and gaming fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.